definitely don't think that's for us. What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I have a nighttime POV for y'all. Today me and a couple of the other guys are finna go to this Carmeet. So I hope y'all enjoy this POV. It should be pretty neat at the Carmeet. We finna meet them at the gas station. And yeah, I'm gonna turn on the X3, the 360 whenever we all get to driving, and then I'm gonna turn on the camera whenever we get there. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Thank y'all so much for all the support. And yeah, bro. Damn, bro. Red eye, Scat. That whole loud. So what's that? You know me. Sunshine. Yes, sir. Yeah, that bitch hard. God. This not where to meet at though, huh?
Hey, they all went to the same place.
That whole red eye.
Low.
Yeah, we gonna pull up.
You hear me pushing 1,000 horsepower, man? Hell yeah. Nigga with the 1,000 horsepower. Damn. Oh shit. I ain't even realize that bitch tough. I can't wait to see. Should I go get back? We don't want to jump out first head tap. Hey, we should have stopped by the gas station. Y'all tripping, man. I say if that don't come in, bro. If he come to our side, bro, I'll get some. You came to our side to this taco. Or say something to it, shit.
I'm going to the car right now.
Is that Orland Rich forever? Forever? What's up? Okay. That bitch tough. I seen that hoe shooting flames in. Where? So. Nah, I don't think that's him. Nah, I don't think that's him. That might, I don't know. Hell no, bro. You tripping. That bitch. I swear, that's what I mean. Like, I'm in there. Like, I'm in there, nigga. Damn, that bitch got a big ass. Yeah. This the one he talking about right here. Yeah, that bitch jumping. Cool. Nigga, look at that. Hold on, bro. Hold on. Alright. That bitch hard. See all the bikes and shit. Alright. I think that's everything. Oh shit. Like everybody trying to take a picture of his shit. What's up, bro?
How are you?
Chilling.
I saw your car, so I didn't.
Yeah.
You weren't sitting next to it the other time, so I was like, "How are you fine?"
Stains. Something over here chopping. Oh, that barrel. Yeah, that's why I don't be popping no more. All the way to 7,000 though. Like whenever I rev it. Spin that hoe.
I can smell it. That's
Hell yeah, that is. You right, that hoe is.
They getting active.
Freaking monster. He finna do one. Yeah. Hit that hoe one more time. Hit that hoe. Spin that hoe. Spin that hoe. Spin that hoe. Spin that hoe. Shut up, bro. Spin that hoe.
You tell them to spin, they